In today's video, I am going to teach you how to manually enroll records and workflows in HubSpot. Manual enrollment is useful when you need to add specific records into an existing workflow right away, without waiting for them to meet automatic enrollment triggers. This is especially helpful for one-off follow-ups, testing a workflow with a small set of records, or quickly including new contacts, companies, deals, or tickets that should start the same process. To begin, log into your HubSpot account and look at the main navigation. Click Automations and then select Workflows. This takes you to the Workflows dashboard, where you can see the workflows available in your portal. Take a moment to confirm you are in the correct account and workspace, especially if you manage more than one portal. Next, find the workflow you want to use and click your workflow name to open it. Once the workflow editor loads, you will see the workflow details and actions. Before enrolling anyone, it is a good idea to quickly confirm you have opened the correct workflow and that it is the one intended for the records you are about to add. This helps prevent enrolling records into the wrong automation. Now go to the top right of the workflow screen and click Enroll. This is the manual enrollment option inside the workflow. When the enrollment panel opens, choose Individual Records. This option is designed for selecting specific records one at a time instead of enrolling a list or using enrollment criteria. After that, use the search field to find the records you want to enroll. Type a name or keyword, then review the search results carefully. Check the box next to each record you want to include. Go slowly here and make sure you are selecting the correct record, especially if multiple records have similar names. If needed, you can refine your search terms to narrow down the results and reduce mistakes. Once you have selected all the records you want, click Enroll to confirm. HubSpot will then add those records to the workflow, and they will begin moving through the automation based on the workflow timing and settings. That covers everything you need to know.